All right, family. TLC Trading AI has taken it to another level with the shenanigans, and we got some stuff to talk about today. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I want you guys to stick with me to the very end because I got some important stuff that I need to share with you. Now, you know, on this channel, I share multiple plays and multiple ways for you to earn passive income through cryptocurrency and beyond. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I want you to lock in with me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. Now, guys, I gotta let you know this video is being brought to you by my brand new workshop. That's right, I have a workshop that's coming up that I've never done before. I've partnered with one of my mentors, and I'm going to bring you guys some incredible information. What type of workshop is it? It's a personal and business credit mastery workshop where we're going to teach you how to leverage your personal and business credit to get the funding that you need to start or scale your business to the next level. We've got people getting $50 to $100 to $150,000 worth of funding by leveraging their personal and business credit. Now, most people think credit is very hard to understand, but my guy Ernest breaks it down in such a simple way that he makes it so easy. All you got to do is follow the steps and you can walk your way right into success and right into the funding that you need for your business. Myself and so many of my friends have already taken advantage of it, and now it's your turn to get this information. So on September the 4th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, I want you to be on the call with me, on the workshop with me, and my guy Ernest, and it is going to be absolutely phenomenal. But you got to register. So go down into the description of this video and register ASAP so you can be one of the people that are on that workshop and that's going to get that information. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead. Let's get into this stuff that TLC Trading AI has going on. Man, you know that they've been having some shenanigans going on, even though a lot of people are trying to ignore the issues. A lot of people are parading around like TLC Trading AI does not have any issues. And they even say that people who say that TLC Trading AI has issues, especially with withdrawals, they're just trying to create FUD, you know, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But I want to say, I'm one of the people who's been having an issue with TLC Trading AI, and I haven't been receiving my withdrawals. I've been having issues with withdrawals since July 23rd. And so, guys, so many of my friends, so many people in my group, so many people that I'm connected to are having issues as well. So let's get out of that facade of thinking, saying that there's nothing going on with TLC Trading AI, because there is. It is not allowing people to get their withdrawals. And just to recap a little bit, what's happening when you go in and you try to do a withdrawal is actually bouncing back to your withdrawal wallet within TLC Trading AI and never making it to your external wallet. And I've done several withdrawals like that, and they've all bounced back, and I haven't received any crypto from TLC Trading AI. I haven't been able to withdraw any of my profits. And so many other people are experiencing the same exact thing. All right. And so TLC Trading AI needs to address this if they're going to continue to move forward, or they're going to try to ignore it and just move on without those people that they're blocking. Or there's even some people who can't even access their accounts now, right? So many crazy things. But remember I said that TLC Trading AI has taken it to a different level today? Let me show you exactly what's going on with TLC right now. When you go to the website for TLC Trading AI, everything looks normal. But here's the problem. When you go to click on the button for sign in, here's what happened to me, guys. When I clicked this button to sign in, I got this error message which said access from your country has been blocked, right? And so I'm in the United States, so that means access from the United States has been blocked. Now, I was made aware of this by one of my viewers. Big shout out to you. I don't remember your name right now, but big shout out to the viewer that commented on one of my videos. And he said that his account has been blocked. And I want to tell you guys that I went and checked it out for myself, and my access has been blocked as well, right? So this may be just people from the United States. Now, I haven't been able to confirm or deny if it's only the United States or if there's other countries that are being affected as well, right? Now, I did do this because I have VPN. I went to another country location and I went to the website and I was able to get in that way by using a VPN. But I haven't seen any communication in my email from TLC Trading AI saying that they were blocking the United States or any other countries. Right now, full transparency, I haven't been on the corporate calls. I didn't attend the corporate calls because there was no reason. They weren't giving any good information on the corporate calls. They were regurgitating the same information and not updating us on the issues that we're facing. So I stopped attending the corporate calls. Okay. Now, the other thing is that I haven't seen anything in the Telegram announcements group about it, right? The other thing is I want to tell you that I haven't seen anything in the Telegram community group. Now, let me tell you, I don't go into that community group a lot because it's a lot of delusional people in there that are just saying delusional stuff, and they're erasing any comments or any messages from anybody that has a concern with withdrawals or something that's going on with the company. So I don't go into that group, right, that much because you're not going to get the true information. They even limit the emojis that you're able to use to respond to the posts that are in there. So they're just going in there, they're posting when they're having some corporate calls and they posting the results for the day. But those are the things that are happening, but it's not giving us any pertinent information for those of us who are experiencing true issues with the platform. Okay. So guys, I'm not putting any more money in the platform. I've taken down all of my links. I don't want anybody to sign up for this thing right now. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice, and nothing, any of my videos should be considered financial advice. But I'm telling you guys what I'm doing and the stance that I'm taking on TLC Trading AI right now. And if you look around on YouTube, you see a lot of people who are saying and doing the same thing. All right. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. Now, I want to let you know, yes, I am evaluating a lot of other programs. And I know you guys send me programs all the time. And sometimes you may be saying, well, Anthony, why didn't you get started with my program? Well, first of all, I told you guys before, I can't be in every program. And honestly, there's some programs that I like, and there's some programs that I may not like so much, or I just may not have time to get around to. But what I want you guys to understand is I am evaluating some other projects. I'm being very, very particular and very, very picky about the crypto projects that I get into. But I do have a project that I'm really excited about. It's a shameless plug. I like the project. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't tell you guys about it. But it's not a crypto project. You can fund the account, or not the account. You can get started with crypto. You can pay with crypto. But it's not a crypto daily ROI program. It's not a crypto trading program. It's not a Forex trading program or anything like that. But there is an opportunity for you to double your money through this program. And this company has actually been around since 2015. So it has some longevity. It's something that I really like. I think it can be a stable foundation type platform for us if we decide to go ahead and take advantage of it, right? I've already decided that I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of it, and I've helped a few people get started with it. So if it's something that you're interested in, you can look in the description of this video and I'll have some information for you there. And then you could also reach out to me and I can get you what you need to decide if you want to get started with that program as well. Now I have some other things that I'm looking at and I'm evaluating. That's going to be coming very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as of yet, please make sure you go ahead and do that. That way you can be the first to be notified when I do drop a video about those programs. But if you really, 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 really want to be first, make sure you're in my game plan to 100 grand group. That's where I drop information first about programs, platforms, and things that's going on, right? So I want you guys to be in the know on everything that I have going on. Now, here's the last thing I'm going to talk about. You guys know I'm also passionate about helping you create passive income by building a personal brand, leveraging the power of YouTube. That's one of the biggest things that I want people to do. I want you to have your own personal brand that brings you passive income. Now, if you haven't done so already, I want you to go ahead and get my free guide that's going to give you the basic foundation of getting started with building a personal brand on YouTube. And then I want to teach you how to bring passive income into your life with that personal brand, right? Now, one of the things that you could do is watch this video that's on the screen right now. This video that's on the screen right now is going to tell you more about building a personal brand on YouTube. And as always, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.